Just in, Ozempic does not slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. That's what just concluded a 2-year set of clinical trials by Novo Nordisk, drug makers of GLP-1 weight loss drug Ozempic. Why were they testing a weight loss drug for dementia? I'm Chloe Kirk with Biotech TV. Let's learn all about it. So, light refresher for anyone new to the GLP-1 scene. We have this glucagon-like peptide 1, a hormone produced in the gut that helps regulate blood sugar and appetite. On the market today are GLP-1 receptor agonists, essentially medications that mimic this GLP-1 hormone, slowing stomach emptying and signaling to our brains that we're fuller for longer, leading to it being used in weight loss and FDA approved for type 2 diabetes. Since they came to market, there's been a lot of talk about what else in the body these GLP-1 drugs might affect. A big one? Dementia or memory loss affects 55 million people globally, with one of the biggest culprits causing 60 to 80% of dementia being Alzheimer's disease. It's a hot topic in the science world, with many reasons why a weight loss drug might affect Alzheimer's disease patients. These GLP-1 drugs are reducing inflammation, and inflammation is associated with dementia. GLP-1 drugs are restoring insulin levels, and Alzheimer's patients experience insulin resistance. And some studies are suggesting that GLP-1 protects connections between the brain cells, so synapses passing information through the brain. There's a lot of excitement around Ozempic being the next Alzheimer's treatment, and it was a no-brainer for Ozempic's parent company, Novo Nordisk, to investigate. They split their work into 2 clinical trials, EVOKE for early-stage Alzheimer's patients and EVOKE Plus for a broader population, including those with extensive small blood vessel damage in the brain. Both randomized, double-blind, and enrolling a total of 3,808 adults over 2 years. They measured disease progression using a standard test in the field, Clinical Dementia Rating Sum of Boxes score, and simply put, they found there was no significant delay of disease progression. Now, their release does acknowledge improvement of Alzheimer's disease-related biomarkers in both trials, but this did not translate into delay of disease progression and has led to the company discontinuing the clinical trials. Top-line results of the EVOKE and EVOKE Plus trials will be presented at the Clinical Trials on Alzheimer's Disease Conference on December 3rd, 2025, and full results will be published in the 2026 Alzheimer's and Parkinson's Disease Conferences in March 2026. But the take-home message is GLP-1 isn't the blanket cure for Alzheimer's that scientists were hoping for. See you next week.